600 of you guys and ayun, watch Colette's live. Thank you so much.
Let go. What should do?
Ay, wait, tayo lahat.
Where you at?
Tayo lahat.
Pareho nagla-live?
Oo. Sa si Jo. Screenshot mo tayo lahat. Sa si Jo.
Ate Jo!
Dapat sa ano, sa kiwi-kiwi. Hello! Para may flavor. Thank you, Trina. Para may flavor.
Rin lang natin.
Thank you, it's me, Kay. Akala ko mag-lipstick ka pa. Okay na, go.
May lipstick na nga ako, oh.
Woo! Yes, I love it. Na-miss ko si Ling Ling. Wala, ba't feeling ko totoo to? May ano? Parang may sira na ba ako or something? Pero yung parang, 5-year-old, a kid, and having a kid really was nice. I like kids. I love kids. And I like spoiling kids. And kids are cute, but not cute. Sometimes when they have tantrums, they're not.
There's only one thing in my mind, that's you and me. I'm a little bit of crazy, I'm a little bit of a fool, I'm a little bit of
Blooms, it's 1:45 but my time here is 1 hour and 27 minutes pa lang yung natatapos kong live, so I'm not yet done. I'm gonna end after 3 minutes.
I'm picking it up, I'm picking it up, I'm loving it, I'm picking it up, picking it up. When the raindrops fell down from the sky, I might kill my ex, I still love him though.
Are we top 1 na? Not yet. Next 10 minutes pa, Bunso. Okay. As a competitor...
Almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way you wonder why we gave up. The truth is everyone knows. Almost is never enough. So close to and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let it snow is blasting out, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Like
Above. All of the above, hindi ba mahirap? Mala Blackpink and HypenCon. Wala eh, meron kami event. Sige na. Blooms, thank you so much for staying up with me. Good night. Thank you, Shire of a Bloom. May pahabol. Just to remind you what you actually need to do, right?
Ano pa ba? Oh, ano pa mga tanong yung mga heartbroken dooms ko? Bakit kayo heartbroken? May lyrics, may galing, di ba? So, it's like just like it's out of romance. So how can one day reach out my fingers? It feels like more than distance between
This songs for your heart, for me, my California king.
Yun lang alam ko. Yun lang yung alam.
Ako naman, kasi nag-effort ako, pinadala ko pa yun from somewhere, tapos sinurprise ko siya, tapos biglang ayaw niya pala. Pero well, Mama knows best.
Hug, hug, hug. Hug, hug, hug. Okay, okay. Bye-bye. Until what time ka? Hanggang 10, I think. Morales. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Yoda. Thank you, Hey Ira. Thank you, Beanie Sky. Thank you, Man. Thank you, Alt. Uwi ka na, Mika. Miss na kita. Ayoko. Siyempre, ayoko umuwi. Charot, joke lang. Gusto ko na umuwi. We may not be big yet. But... Mas maganda lang pasigan sa pag-uwi showcase of. She really knows how to talk well, like introduce herself. Kasi if, like, during that time, if people, like, made me introduce myself, like, so suddenly, I would be like, hello, po, ganon, like, ganun. And then she was like, hi, I'm, hi, I'm, Mariah, Queen Arcel.
In your eyes, little sparkle, shine bright. Ipagmalaki mo sa buong mundo ang ganda na iyo.
Pretty much that's it, guys. That's it.
This girl, get up and show the world. Mag-lipstick, kilay ko dahil mascara. Maaga mahadal na bumaka.
Open your eyes, believe that you can shine bright. Made for you, made for me. Handa ko ba sa beauty reveal?
Yo dirás rapidito. Si tu pito me sale dámelo. Yo sé que estás pensándolo. Llevo temprano gritándolo. Mami, sabes de tu corazón conmigo te hace bam bam. Bebé. Sabe, quiero.
Sila ba tinadhana? Oh, nana. Ikaw at ako ay para sa isa't isa. Pag ikaw ay nandyan, ang lahat ay
I think pwede ako sa banda.
Hindi alam din. Walang problemang iisipin pa. Di ko naman lagi makakasama. Lagi na umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala.
Mali ako! Mali ako.